The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Poinsett County, Craighead County, and Greene County in central Arkansas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m., a National Weather Service radar detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, spotted over Truman, or 30 miles southeast from Jonesboro, moving southwest at 50 miles per hour. In addition, at 7:35 p.m. a rotating wall cloud was spotted over Truman, reported by train spotters. The storm has a history of producing golf ball-sized hail and 75 miles per hour winds. Locations impacted include Truman, Jonesboro, Marktree, Harrisburg, Blytheville, Caraway, Cache, and Lynette. Take shelter immediately. Protect head from any flying debris. Take cover in the lowest floor in a sturdy building or move to a tornado shelter. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, take cover inside of a sturdy building.